If you're noticing a funky smell coming from your dishwasher, or it's not working that well anymore, or both, what I'm about to show you might help. So my dishwasher is an LG, but this video should be pretty universal. Most dishwashers, or all new dishwashers, have a filter, and it's located down here. I'm gonna take this right out, and then right here, this is where your filter is. So this can get all clogged up, and you can see there's little bits of food in here. I know, it's kind of gross. I'm sorry, I'm guilty of not changing this enough, but this could be the cause of the smell, and if this gets clogged up, your dishwasher is not gonna work as well. Here's how you change it on this one, and this whole process is gonna be very similar for your dishwasher. Right here, you can see arrows. This is actually showing how to lock this in. So you wanna go the opposite way, counterclockwise, like this, and that will unlock the filter. And you need to line this up, by the way, because when you go to take it out, this is gonna stop you. So line it up just like that. Pull it straight up, and looks like this is going to come with it. But sometimes this is separate. So with this one, ew, you can see that over time, that is basically all kind of bacteria, and that will stink over time. So I'm going to take this and clean it out real good. So first, take this splinter of something off of here, and I'm gonna just rinse this really good with super hot water. Try and get all this off. I got the Super Jet on mine. It does something like that. That'll help. I'm gonna rinse the inside here out and vice versa, just to try and get all of this stuff out of here. See, I got some more right here. This stuff is pretty stuck on there. So, next step, I'm gonna use some mild dish detergent. Just go around this whole thing. It's probably a little aggressive. And then I'm gonna take a soft bristled toothbrush like this, and I'm just gonna carefully go in here and scrub this. This is like a metal mesh, but you still wanna be careful and not break it, because then you won't have anything filtering it. I'm just gonna go around, clean this whole thing. Let me see if I can actually get this out of here. There we go. You just have to push these tabs in on the side. That's it, that'll make it easier to clean. Once you do the outside, do the same thing with the inside. This piece on the top, you can actually take apart. Right here, there's some tabs. Just pull that. Probably shouldn't have made it slippery with all this soap first. But you can pop them off like that. Same thing over here. And then that will unclip just like that. And you can get all this stuff out of here. And you can clean all this. Let that run under some water. Make sure this is clean. Just want to do everything with soap, because that is like a kind of gross to think about, but a living organism that's just growing in your dishwasher. So you want to kill it, basically. Get it as clean as possible. So those two pieces are good. Now we can do this one. That side is good. And do the top. I'll rinse all this off. Again, I'm going to use super hot water. Ew, ew, ew. Might be some pieces left over here. That side. And this filter. Rinse that off. Okay. And this piece. Now we can put this piece back on here. You can see there's like a little cross right here that has to match up with this one. That's on my particular model anyways. It was just like this. Locks in like that. And it's gonna go back in here. Sneak it in there like that. It's ready to go back in the dishwasher. You can see there is some stuff in here, so we can clean that out before. You can either use a little shop vac or something. I'm just gonna use a bunch of paper towels to soak that up and clean that out. If you wanted to, you could use some soap in here too. Clean this out. We're gonna be cleaning it out again at some point anyways, so it's pretty clean. That should be fine. And then anything that you might have spilled, like this right here. Okay, and you can put your filter back in. I'm gonna line this up so you can get this in there. This just kind of sits there, and then you'll feel this lock into place. And that's it. Done. You can put your bottom rack back in if you took it out. Just like that. And easy peasy. So, if your dishwasher was not smelling that great, or if it wasn't working that well, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.